This is a photo of Dada Saheb Maske, who is the founder president of this college, and Professor Rahul Maske, who is the secretary of this education society. I will highlight about the college. Siddharth Arts, Commerce and Science College, Jafrabad, run by Student Education Society. It has established in 1991.
Without the mic, please pass. Why it is so less visible?
It is backward region of Marathwada, which was under the Nizam state, so it was not developed very well compared to the other part of Marathwada region. After the independence of 1947, still it was under the Nizam state. It was declared as independent after the police action in 1948, which is 17th September 1948. So we celebrate the Marathwada Liberty on 17th September. Then this college is organized by UGC 2F and 12B. Academic orbit is B grade by the university. It's spread over 8 acres of land. Academic audit has been done by university committee, which secured B grade, that is 73%. It is spread over 6 acres of land, and the built-up area is 5,185 square meters. There is also library, the knowledge center, research center has a rich collection of 17,276 books and plus e-journals, e-books, reference books and magazines, and also the facilities of Infant B. Next. Vision of this institute: vision to promote education as a vehicle for development of community and competence with confidence who could successfully face the challenges in the life. Next. Mission to make lifelong change into the life of rural underprivileged girls and boys through quality education. To educate, engage and empower rural girls and boys, the college strives to create student intellectually Indians future leader in various fields of society. A good citizen having national education, teacher promotes social awareness, values of the life and responsibility. Next. The weakness, strength, weakness, opportunities and challenges. Just WOC. The college has total permanent having PhD degree, 6 are having MPhil degree, 7 teachers are second qualified, and 8 teachers are.
Is the hard copy the presentation?
Yes.
Hard copy. Okay, that is not the way to present. This is what you typewrite. Okay, make it quick.
Yes. Next.
What are the steps? Important steps.
Weakness of this. Yes. So weakness of funding of for the institution is very low. That institution is in the backward region. Then the majority of students are first generation learners. Because in the rural area, their fathers was not educated, so they are the first learners. Then the facility of transport is not available in the rural area. The first factor is very poor, so it is very difficult for the students to come here. Whatever there is 90 villages in this taluka, so they come from different villages. So it is very tremendous. Every time we requested to the transport depot manager of Maharashtra State Road Transport Corporation transport facility available. So that is the weakness of this. The students are from vernacular class. They are farmers. Father are farmers, so there is not a very educated atmosphere. Their language is also compared to the other Marathi, which is very the language Marathi which is used as per the standard Marathi language. It is not very familiar to them. So we have to also prepare them for this language because they daily use the Marathi language, which is not updated in the books and texts. So quite impossible time to understand that. So we have to take a lot of effort to learn, teach them the language. Okay. Institutional opportunity to strengthen the biology institute the president of this college is from a very common family. So there is nobody particular. We have support like MLA or other industry visit like that. So there is always funding problem. So despite that, we try to develop the ICT infrastructure, and we feel that this is at a comfortable amount we have spent on that. So there is some improvement in the architecture compared to the second cycle. To start more PG courses in the second cycle, there was not any PG classes, but after that we made effort and we have now 4 PG courses: MA English, MSc Chemistry, MSc Botany, and M.Com. Again, we try to start a research atmosphere here. Therefore, the research center for the subject English Commerce, we have recognized by the university, and we started these 2 centers. For English, there are 6 students doing PhD. In this research center, there is 3 guides of this college, and 2 are affiliated from another college, which is near to the Bokardam, which comes from the
What is the research center?
English.
What is the research center? What is the concept?
PhD research center.
What will you do? How?
Yeah, the student will be doing a PhD.
You can admit students
Yes. Yes.
in the college,
Yes.
but they will be awarded by the university.
They are awarded by the university. The other facility will be provided.
What are the guidelines for developing the research center?
They are awarded. Yes. Research guide is compulsory. Teachers should be there and adequate facility for research. So we are trying to increase that. Just recently we are recognized by this center. So we are trying to improve that.
Who will be the guide, the college
Yes,
teacher?
college teacher who already the university guides. So for English there is 3 guides from this college, and also they have decided there is a very poor, we can say that is a research guide. So they decided that the affiliated college should also participate in research activity. So they provide the guide sheet to the affiliated college also, affiliated college teacher. So hence here we have the 3 teachers, and those colleges not have research center, they were joined to the university. So university is spread in 4 regions, that is the 4 districts. So it is not possible the student to visit there. Therefore they decided they should be recognized some research center in the affiliated college where the PG classes is already run. So we have made the proposal and sent to the university, therefore we received the recognition.
PhD programs in English Commerce also or not?
Yes, yes.
Those for
English, Commerce, sports
And
subjects.
just 2 subjects. And for botany it is pending. The committee has visited to the college and very soon we will get. The affiliated committee has visited the college in last month. So we are waiting for the letter of recognition. One short skill course, that is communication English in English department. Apart from that, we have started some courses in microbiology, some science, and some economics.
Short-term courses.
Yes, for one month.
And
Yes.
then what is the outcome of it?
One thing is that we want to be professional in that course. For microbiology, we try to give them the basic idea of that course. Work also like a bridge course also.
Mainly a bridge course.
Yes.
When do you cover this course among the students after they get admission?
After getting the admission. That is
In the
a
first
short-term
year?
course, it is for 30 days course. So we introduce that. We try to cope up them with the subject.
In all subjects?
sciences, what are the courses?
Yes, yes.
No, sciences skill-based course, what do you have?
Microbiology, zoology.
What is the skill? Microbiology, what is the skill?
Three best courses, short-term courses.
Yes.
Yeah, short of 30 days. 30 days.
What is that course in
What are the
microbiology?
Occupational safety.
In microbiology.
Occupational safety.
Yes, sir.
So it is the 30 days course.
Is it the department of
As a social responsibility, we try to make some activities in the villages. We have taken some villages adapted by the NSA department, and we provide some facility there. We provide the camps there for cleaning some band.
ऐसा बोले तो नहीं चलेगा भाई ये क्या है you have to tell the date, date
Sir,
of visit with photos.
Yes, everything is available, sir. Everything is available in the department. I can presentation.
This
So
is the
many,
main presentation.
so many extension
So,
activities.
if I put
Up
you-
15 activities or 25
Yes, sir.
activities.
Next we have some here. Just in this side. Next, sir. Next. Next, sir. This is. Yes, sir. Back here. Suggestion which made in the next cycle. So we have updated that.
How many scientists were there? How many you have completed?
Yes, sir. This is the red which has been mentioned, and green color is we have completed.
Read out, not able to see the. Over there, I think you are given a conference. Print out.
Yes, courses need to be introduced. So we have added more of courses, few courses in
What courses? What?
in microbiology and of few subjects.
More means you should mention the number.
Specify the number.
Sir, over 76.
5.
5 madam. Yes, sir.
Have you mentioned somewhere?
Yes, sir.
Information already. Okay.
I have taken just the last one.
Information criteria.
Please go slow.
How
5.
many?
5 add up.
One course is sanctioned by industry and 4 courses we are at college.
What is by this course?
Your time. Concentrate on important things.
Okay.
Okay.
Board of Exams.
What is the second point?
Second, value-added skill-based course needed to be offered. So some value-added courses introduced, sir. In
You have a list.
yes, this is
Same thing is.
List is there.
yes.
Okay.
Please specify skill-based courses are there.
Value-added courses.
Value-added and skill-based.
Skill, yes. We
The
have
first one add-on courses.
yes.
So make a distinction between these two. What are the add-on courses and what are the skill-based
Yes.
courses?
For the skill basis, for value added, we have ethical values, morality like that. So these are introduce our heritage or tradition through these courses. So we celebrate the celebration of different leaders. Their birth anniversary.
These are courses,
Yes.
these are not celebration.
That's the English
Course
the
means
That is
you have
madam.
a specific.
Please submit the list, okay?
Okay, I will submit this.
Not now, not now.
Yes.
You will make a note of make a point and
Add-on
then you
courses as well as.
Sir, all these details we have in the SSR report.
Okay, okay.
Therefore, I don't highlight it here. Feedback from alumni and parents, which is collected formally, need to be formalized. So this also we have changed. First of all, we have taken on the feedback of students. Now we have taken the feedback of alumni also for the syllabus and other things. Next.
How many slides are there?
Yes, sir.
How many slides are there?
It is 100 slides.
You should number the slides. 100 slides बोले तो 2 घंटे presentation.
Then, sir, 30 minutes में होगा, 5 minutes में होगा. I will just highlight important.
Next.
So, next back. So, teaching learning process at the time of second cycle, it was not adequate facilities. Now we have the 4 LCD projector and computer laboratory also enriched. In laboratory we have provided different resources. So we try to increase the ICT tools for using and learning
But
process.
this is the projector, then it is useless. You will write it as a useless LCD projection.
So we
And they come up with third grade kind of a thing. That's why it is not coming properly. You should have bought some quality one.
yes.
Anyway, I think you are using it.
Next.
Actually, there was a point in the previous time, high dropout rate.
Yes.
What did you do for that?
So,
Promotion of researcher.
at least we can ask them somebody to get the printouts.
Yes.
Here. What is that? Can you see that?
Yes.
The total here.
Now in the college we have 25 research scholars doing PhD, and we also increase the guideship. There is 6 research guide available now in the campus, and 2 research centers started. Next.
But here, just one thing. Here you have mentioned 11 research grades.
Yes, sir.
11 recognized research grades.
Yes.
Different subjects.
Different subject and from different college. 3 are affiliated here from different college.
But in SSR it is 6.
And course work also is taught here.
That is research center.
That is a research.
According to the
Guides
guidelines.
it is 11.
Guide, 11.
11 grades of this one.
11 certificates बताओ.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Certificate rating on.
That's very good.
SSR was.
So physical facilities are now we have the 24 classroom with 3 projectors, and also laboratory was developed So 6 well-equipped laboratory of chemistry, botany, zoology, microbiology, physics and computer developed. At the time of second cycle, the books were very poor in library. Now it was 400 at the time of second cycle. Now it is 1,171 number of textbooks available in English. So particularly specifying that in English language there is very poor book. That was 400 at that time. But now it is increased and it is now, so far in the second cycle, the maintenance amount was not. So we guide them also that after graduation what we have to do so that we get a good opportunity in life. So these are the purpose of this scheme. Then student progress, high dropout rate. At the time it was a high dropout rate, but now in the third cycle, I mentioned this and it is now less comparative to the
What is the percentage of? Don't say more less. That is not.
So,
Should have mentioned.
yes, I have mentioned here was
Okay. Please don't disturb net presentation.
So internal quality assurance cell was established in 2004, but at the time of cycle, it was very poor. Some external members were not added. But now in the third cycle, we have added some members from the industry and from social background. Next, environmental consciousness step needs to be taken to make the campus eco-friendly. So in this third cycle, we try to plant more trees, and these are some later on tree plantation, plastic-free atmosphere, rainwater harvesting, and solar system. These are provided for the eco-friendly atmosphere. Next, at the time of second cycle, it has been next. It has been suggested at the second time to need the vocational and job-oriented courses. So far, we have tried to collaborate with the Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation. They provide some workshop in our college for the development of students for career opportunity and business and industry setup. Next. So the committee suggests that the communication skill need to be strengthened, so the English language laboratory should be developed. So in this, we have developed English language laboratory as well as competitive examination cell started and activated. Next, the automation of library is also done. Relevant PG courses may be started, so we have started four PG courses. Teacher may be encouraged to submit more research projects to external funding agencies like UGC. So as per their suggestion, 3 minor research projects were granted by the university in the subject English, botany and zoology and commerce. It has sanctioned by the university. Its fund is near 440 rupees, I think 40,000 rupees for English and 20,000 for economics. So it is poor, but we try to start with the kind projects. The PhD program in English and commerce now recently we started. Next. So this is teaching staff. So total sanction post is 50 for assistant professor. So it is filled 40 posts. Among it 37 were male and 3 were female. Total non-teaching staff sanctioned by the government it is 46 and male 37, female 2, total 39 staff. And including teaching and non-teaching staff it is 79. The separate 30 staff for the junior teaching section. So it is not mentioned here. Next. Qualification of the teaching staff. So 23 teachers completed PhD degree, 6 teachers MPhil and level were PG. Associate 6, assistant professor 13 and professor 1. Next. These are students enrolled in the college during the academic year. This is the current data of recent year. Total student is 2081 for UG and 81 for PG. This is the qualification of male and female PG and total 81. Next.
How many courses you are running? PG courses?
PG courses 4 sir.
4, then why that percent? What is the stack?
30 for botany, 30
And English
enrolled students as per the category most of the students come in this institution from SC category. So you will find that in 2021, 550 students were from SC category, and females were
You could have
300.
said the percentage. See, total is 2100.
Yes.
Out of 2100, general is about 700.
Yes.
That means 30% only are general.
Yes.
So 70% are reserved.
Yes.
Reservation categories.
20% reservation category.
Coming from reservation, which because
No. Next. Curriculum planning and implementation. As this college is affiliated college, therefore we provide syllabus from university, board of study. So some teachers were member of board of study. I am self from English department board of study.
Implementation part you talk, you don't do anything here or there. Implementation.
Yes.
And implementation, how do you implement?
Yes.
Calendar.
For this implementation, as per the syllabus.
So this is the board of studies
Yes.
Yes.
in the university.
Yes, in English.
Only one staff.
Yes.
You're all by-
In the previous cycle. So for implementation of planning, we follow the syllabus and we provide the diary, teaching diary. In the teaching diary, we have the plans and our schedule of teaching. Then there is monitoring team. Next. Also, we have the RPSC feedback to about the teaching learning process. So it is collected feedback from the RPSC. So 2 times we have done the academic audit. Previous time we used to 73% from university in the academic audit. Next. The college offers some program courses already I mentioned. To enrich the curriculum. There are NSS activity and also we have lifelong education skill, extension activity skill. Through this we provide some responsibility, gender, environmental, then cross-cutting issues, driven values where workshop will be made and we provide this type of knowledge to students. Next. Gender issue also followed by to making more effective women-based celebration. Again, we organize some workshop for the gender issues and women development cell also organize some program for the awareness about the gender issues. Next one. NSS department to we provide some program, some programs such as Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Green Migration, there is lorries and also plastic free environment, such type of motivate programs so that the student will be a good citizen in the future. Next.
Have you adopted any village service?
Yes, village every year we adopted to village and we provide 10 days special camp there and yes, in the next we have. The Department of Long Life Extension Services in the college organize workshop each year which focus on the employability and some employment related workshops, ethic values. This is provided by the university as per the university time schedule and as per their topics and we provide this workshop. So we get some budget for this and we provide such type of programs in our college. So these are will find. Next. Advanced learner and slow learner is also identified in this college. So at the beginning of the college we identified from the 12th class their mark and decided which are poor. So we provide some specific teaching for them. We personally take attention them and we try to build their knowledge in this subject. For advanced learners, some students are very sharp and advanced learners which are for the science faculty they are more than 70% mark received at the 12th class. So for that advanced learners we also provide some graduate facilities and we try to motivate them so that they can be get a good opportunity in the future. Next. So for different method we use. So experimental method is also used for the teaching. We provide some industrial tools. then some educational tools so that they can get the experimental knowledge to enrich their syllabus and to enrich their knowledge in the subject. Department of Commerce provided some tools to the banking and industry sector to know about the trade and business. Participative learning is also provided through the seminar, wallpapers, Hindi viewers, to motivate students to write their articles in the wallpaper magazine for their enhance their creative writing style. Also, we provide some research project for the third class BA from university. For this, they have a separate 100 marks paper for the project, so that they get the idea about the research activity, how to prepare the research articles or dissertations. So, this is also one marks which you in the college. Then some problem solving method like in English, listening skill, situational skill English, such type of activity provided in the English language, so that they get the English language about the situation, how to scope in the situation. Next. These are the tools. In the second cycle, we are very poor. Now we are increasing some ITC, and the teachers were provided PPT videos in the Corona period. We have college was not ready manually. Therefore, we have conducted some online classes. We have sent our teachings on the Google Classroom as well as video clips. This also we are connected with the student to teach them to the ICT use. Google Classroom is available. We are in limited rate subscription so that we get the opportunity to learn at least one lakh books from e-learning resources. This is also provided in the library for the student as well as for the teaching staff to improve their knowledge. Next. English department lab is there, and we have provided to improve it. So some software is also there for the communication skill. We continue to learn the communication skill certificate program for all classes of UG. The Marathi departments and other departments also provide some drama and novels, short stories on the video YouTube, so that the student get the idea about the films and about the novels. Next. This is a studio also we provided for the teachers so that they can make their lectures shooting through this and provide on Google Classroom. Yes, running. Yes. We are making that. Next.
Recording is possible.
Yes. Yes, recording is possible. Yes, possible. Next is the same. So for the evaluation process, as per the university views, we follow all the evaluation process. The objective of the program is already we have got in the syllabus. So as per the syllabus designed by the university, we try to fulfill the all objective by teaching the particular subject and topics. Also, internal quality assurance cell take a review of the outcome of the programs at the end of the annual session from the students about the syllabus and about the teaching of the teachers. Next. For the assessment, there is a mechanism. It is a transparent, and as per the university rules we follow. First of all, we prepare our timetable calendar in the annual year at the beginning of the annual year, and it is quite
Yes, sir.
both external and internal as per the university.
What is the percentage?
It is 90%.
Internal 9.
Internal 95. Internal passive.
Internal marks कितने हैं?
Internal marks is for the first set it was 20 marks. Internal and 80 for theory paper. Yes. Yes. In this cycle, two times we used to revise the syllabus design. Sometimes there is internal marks and sometimes there was not only theory paper. So that is mixing. Now we provided both. But we sometimes it was in 2 years it was just theory paper. There is no internal marks. 100 marks paper. Yes. Yes. Now it is changed. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Next. For university ecosystem, we try to provide the research atmosphere in the college. For that, we have started the e-books library and other research activity as well as
Next, you always talk about.
next yes. Next
Feedback.
yes, feedback.
Talk already.
Yes.
Next.
Feedbacks of all activity. Yes, next. Extension activity. These are some extension activity which is carried out during 2015-16 to 2020-21. There are some slides of this. So one by one take this. This is annually Get Personality Celebration, Independence Day, Women's Day. These are the photos of this whole activity. This is the fundraising just way. Our college made a rally to collect the fund for the Kerala flood, which was in 2019. So we have collected the funds and we submitted to the government for their Kerala fund. So this is the university department which raised the fund from the citizens and another from the staff. 1 day salary we provided for this purpose. Next. So this is the food distribution. In 2020 there was a great flood in Kolhapur district. So the whole Kolhapur district was affected by that. So at that time we went to our RSS. Dr. Gadkari is a participant in this event and they are distributing the food to the poor in the Kolhapur district. There is Principal Kapil who was the principal of that time. They went there. The Honorable President is also there. He was also there to distribute the food. This was a good event. We had about I think 1 ton food were being distributed there. Next, this is a village special camp. Some villagers everywhere we adopt and we take 8 days camp there to RSS activity. All our students and girls stay there for 8 days and they prepare all water cleaning camp, hygiene camp, some type of rallies. And if there is some water harvesting project we take and we complete the small water harvesting project through our work. Next, these are some events of cleaning the village, for volunteering cleaning the village and making the hygienic atmosphere in the village. Next, this is the dam building. By making the soil and stone they are collecting too, so that the rain harvesting project should start, so the water should collect and the level of the water should be increased in order to well as well as the level, so that the farmer gets the benefit. So it is a drought area, so it is very important. So our college has decided and we take every year such type of activity through the RSS program. Next, these are some event of there's a build the dam, small dam. This is a rally. Next. These are the session. Next, in the middle of the day at the afternoon after the lunch we provide some session. That time some experts come visit there to introduce the lecture on different topics. Next, this is the cleaning campus of our college. Students is making help to clean the college. It should be clean. So the RSS students were participating in the cleaning activity of campus. Next. These are some cuttings which is available of different activities rallies. Next, so this is a plantation which is done in the college. So this is a college building and our staff and other persons are doing the plantation by the Honorable President of this college. Next, these are some photos. Next, these are plantation. These are girls that participating. Next, infrastructure resources now. Next, so this is college building, which is square in 5,185 square meter. Next, this is classroom. We have 24 classrooms. Next, this is principal cabin. Next, this is college veranda with indicated classroom. These are some photos of the office and distributing for different companies, place for the BA, BSc, different counters for students, as well as for the collection of fees and other facilities. Next. This is English language lab. Next, this is the reading room. This is the library photos, some books were this. Next, this is computer lab. Next, this is Department of Physics and Laboratories of Physics. Next, this is Physics lab, some photos. Chemistry lab. That is the Department of Botany, Department of Microbiology, and this microbiology lab, and this is botany lab. Next, This is guidance cell for student. This is IQC office. Next, this is canteen of in the campus for the student. This is the open stage. Some program we arrange in the auditorium hall, but when there is a large number of students, we arrange the programs in the open stage. We provide some shade to this open stage and we make the program here. We arrange the programs for students. There is parking facilities also available in the campus. This is CCTV camera is also near about 16 cameras installed in the college at the main point which covers the all area under the security. Next. This is auditorium hall of college. Some yoga practice is done for relaxation of mind through the sport department. Next. So this is some photos of yoga celebration. Next. This is a newspaper cutting of the program. Next. Sport facilities also available. Indoor game of carom, chess also available, and Coco, volleyball, then long jump, high jump. We are also prepared grounds in our campus. Next. This is the library, the entrance of the library. Library have good number of books as well as there are different software also installed in the library. Next, this is the internal unit of the library. This is internet facility available in the library for the students and for the faculty. Next are the sitting room, and this is a reading room. These are some shelf. Next. So these are some books and some software available in the library. These are the names of that library installation. Next. E-book, Shodhganga, these are the membership and we have all the facilities for the student as well as for the faculty member. Next. IT infrastructure is also available. There is 32 computers connected with Wi-Fi and LAN, and in another unit we have some computer. Next, computer 2, projector and LCD projector 3. Then LCD TV is also, Wi-Fi router is also available, amplifiers, speakers, CCTV camera. These are some instrument which is used for the different activities in the college. Next, this is LCD projector classroom. Next, the progress of student is very poor. So in the 5 years it is 8.78. Number of outgoing students is 51 for the higher education. Next. These are some performers of university awarded. We have 11 award in 2016-17, in 2017-18, 9, in 2018, 19, 11, and 2019, 26. In 2021 there is no award. Next. Students also participate in the administrative activity through the student council. So we have the student council as per the university guidelines. So there are some members selected from the merit student from the class, 2 representatives from the LSN, 1 is ladies and 1 is girls. So we have the different participate in the work of college. So these all members have participated in this student council. Next. So registry and they are participating actively, making support to the service of college. There are some services they are provided. Next. So Dr. Ganesh Chandran Shive, head drama of Mumbai University, is an ex-student of this college. He is the head of Mumbai University, and he also provides some service to our college. He is ex-student of our college. So frequently visited, his village is near to our college, 6 kilometers away from here. So we rarely visit this village. Is maybe you can see come to the college and cooperate us.
So you have account money, bank
Do
account.
they have
Yes,
financial
sir.
contribution?
Yes, sir.
No.
Do they have account, separate account?
No, separate account is not there.
Financial contribution?
Yes, separate account is
Financial help.
no. There is
Not
Yes,
services are provided by
not service and book these are there. They provide in the form of books and So these are some ex-students of our college who are contributing their services to the college. Shiva, next. So this is management, this is structure of the management, president, vice president, secretary, sub-secretary, treasurer. This is the governing body of our college. Next, these are the members of body, board of director. Honorable Dada Sahib Maski is the president, Rahul Maski is Bharat Maski is vice president, and Rahul Maski is secretary and other members. Next, 2016, we have formed the college development committee. It is an important committee which make the decision of college. So it is formed. The chairman of this committee is the president of college, and the principal is a member secretary. Other two teachers from teachers community. So it is a formation of committee for development and overall activity. Next, teachers as per the UGC and Dr. Baba Ambedkar University, we follow the norms. Next, through IPSC, we collect the SSR for API of the teachers and the committee, provide the all facilities for their cash benefit. Next, financial resource of the institution. National MPS Chairman, the CA has appointed for the financial and audit reports and audit works. So, and one other agency, guideline for higher education, they have subject to audit of this college. So these are two agencies which overall audit of the college.
Last audit year,
It has completed. This is under process now. 2021. Yes. Yes, sir. We have that. All 5 people we have attended the 5. Next, best practices in the college. There are 2 best practices. The first is teacher guidance scheme. Through this scheme, we take students, 20 students for any teacher, and we provide them personal guidance. We cooperate them. We also visit their home if there are any problem. So personally, we take touch with them so that the drop rate should be decreased. So we go to the parents and request them to send their students to the college, because after 12th class, the parents try to make them work with their farms. So we motivate them to study them, and we want them, and we motivate them to this committee. So the drop rate. Another scheme is a community library. Through our central library, we have provided services to the community. Through that, we have given some books to the citizens. They can make the membership in our library. So we have circulated some books for this citizen. So far, this is a taluka, and in this taluka there is no library which is activated.
How many books are there?
For this, we have provided at least 100 books. This is available in the SSR. So the service is there. So I just mentioned here that
SSR हो गया, अभी physical change नहीं का है।
yes, everything is there, sir. We have provided. I have not mentioned here because it is mentioned in the SSR. So it will be repeated. Therefore, I just highlight what are the facilities. Whatever you want, everything is digital available in the files and at a particular place. Next. So this is the building, and thank you for very much for the committee. I try to present best. Sorry, there are some intervals and disturbs to you. So I am very sorry for that. Thank you very much.
IPSC presentation क्या है?
Yes.
IPSC all members are present, external and all. Madam, sir, they have communicated in IPSC external members as per schedule, that is post planish.
Let me welcome all dignitaries of the POP. I'm the City and Dr. Saraswati. Also, I
इधर आके बात करो।
as Dr. Saraswati, head of the department. I'm presenting PPT on my department introduced English. The first batch, 8 exam is going to be here. So, actually, overall, service of my department has to fully complete the students who work in listening, writing, and to develop their intelligence surroundings, develop the literary surroundings, the regular thinking, and to make able and competent person to face the future problems in life. Our vision is to be there with the knowledge, because first to be here in our knowledge society. We want to, our students to be able to face the knowledge society. From that, we want to take an objective from that is 20, about 20.
Class 20.
Sanction is
Sciences training of 720.
A class to 720 रहता. What is the sanction strength for BA class?
Sir, I will give you sanction. That is 720.
Okay.
And out of 720,
Yes.
you have 21 students.
Yes.
Oh my God.
This is the major problem in this area. And we are encouraging them.
Huh?
So,
Denomination.
Okay. Let us see other subjects also. Okay. Then we will
A
understand.
result of the last 5 years, sir.
ठीक है. Right.
Short term, I have attended 3 courses. And after semester, I attended certificates, sir. And
Right.
Sir, in our publications, I have published 60 papers. After semester, published 11 papers. And after seminar, madam, published 7.
At least one paper is there in
Yes, sir.
focus on UGC care system.
No, sir. Overall, we have 13 papers on UGC case.
ये पेपर है क्या पूरा कॉलेज में?
Definitely.
Either UGC care listed or reference journal one paper
Of my department.
of your English department.
No, sir.
This is from 2016 to 21.
Assessment.
Assessment period.
Assessment total.
Two books, I have published.
Okay, go ahead. ये क्या है?
Weakness of the department. The strength of the
Strength क्या है?
English classes are there. Yes. Our research center is there, PG is there, and fully recruited staff is there.
Right. Next.
So you don't have the departmental libraries.
No, sir. No. Research center is established for the 2021. There are 5 research kinds of
This is only your strength. This is very big strength. Research.
No research students are admitted for the 6 days. PhD research like, sir.
Okay.
Certificate course. The certificate course is sanctioned by UGC since 2014. This is the, I think the admitted students for that course.
Okay.
We run this course because we motivate the students to for the admission of the literature.
Understood.
Future plans, sir. To arrange, I think, seminar and conference, and even for the staff as well as students also. Thank you, sir.
Okay, please give us the hard copy.
And PG.
Welcome in Department of Political Science. The Department of Political Science established in 1991. The opening of Parliament. Myself, Pawan Devi, joining in 1994. My first colleague, Makari Yogi, joining in 2006. And second colleague,
Are they present here?
Sarve sir,
Your other
joining in.
colleagues are present?
Yes, sir. Both are present. This is 2005.
You can say that introduce yourself.
Faculty.
Myself.
Okay.
Three faculty. All are PhDs.
PhDs? No, nobody is PhD.
Nobody PhD.
Beginning of department. From the democratic.
Okay. Next.
Research talks, paper talks.
Papers.
Details of
They will be giving us presentations.
other students' strength.
Students tense.
Total number of sanctioned seats is
730.
979. Total.
979 in the.
How many seats are sanctioned?
ऐसे बोलो भाई बीए में टोटल सैंक्शन स्ट्रेंथ कितना है?
This is of 6 division, 3 divisions are granted. Sorry, non-granted. But we have worked calculated.
What is your total strength of sanction capacity कितना है?
360.
All
Granted, non-granted.
Hello, branches put together?
Yes.
720 is all branches put together.
But there is a some fraction, there is fraction.
So 1 year you can take 720 in BA. How many sections are there? In BA, how many sections are 17? Okay. That is the
Very difficult analysis of our subject.
Hello, how many sections are there in BA your political science?
One subject, sir. Main subject.
Sections are there, कितने sections हैं?
Because you have 457 students. All students they cannot sit in one room. No?
Division.
Sections कितने हैं?
Divisions. तीन division है, sir. 3 divisions. In particular, in second year 2 divisions and final 1 division.
ऐसा बात करता है, ऐसी बात करते हैं क्लास में, हाँ?
So classroom have 50 students. Sir.
Divisions are.
We will ask the principal. See, IPSC
As per the syllabus.
the total, हाँ?
Orientation, impression.
They are there.
Okay.
Okay.
ये क्या है?
Again,
Okay.
paper.
Okay.
Begin. Books in library.
But whatever it is now, you should submit in a department wise, not individuals. The department has a unique officer.
Do you have separate departmental library?
No. Big central library.
Central library. Okay.
Of user plan.
Do you have any research work? Three of you? Publication?
Next department no. Number 1.
Let's give the project to my Next, sir. One legal science.
Yes. Welcome, sir. Department Marathi. Welcome, NAC Tier 2. I said my प्राध्यापक Dr. R.T. Deshmukh, my colleagues Dr. Vihan Patil sir, my colleague Dr. Jagatwala sir.
So how
Three years.
The Department of Marathi has established since the Institute of the Siddharth Art Commerce Science College, Jafrabad, 1991.
Okay, understood.
Vision, important
Okay, next now.
of Marathi language and literature, creative writing, focus on business communication drafting. Program details. BA is 3 years course, 1991 and 92.
Understood. Next. Understood.
Teaching staff, I said R.T. Deshmukh, Associate Professor and Head, MA PhD. The second is Dr. G.N. Jadhav.
All 4 are PhDs.
Yes, sir. Guide. Art guide. Assistant Professor is 1. Total is 4.
All 4 are there. Okay, good.
Departmental activities, essay writing, debate competition, Siddharth Viktipatrika, wallpaper publication, drama camp, author meet, Kavi Sammelan, a library exhibition, Marathi Rajbhasha Din, consulting for higher student and research in Marathi. drama camp.
Next.
Workshop in poet workshop. कवि सम्मेलन,
Good.
ग्रंथ प्रदर्शन, बुक एग्जीबिशन, मराठी डे celebration. In my department, all students, BA, BSc, optional, ESL, 20, 60 and 70 in assessment year. BA, FY, ESL, 40, 10. BA, SY.
Next.
Total workload of Marathi department 96.
Next.
Total work
Next.
result analysis. Third year. Sounds.
Is it 84.7 or 8.4?
8.4.
Corona.
Corona was much better, all set for online exam, all passed out. And only 8.4.
Network problem. Most of the students didn't have the idea how to register, how to submit. Therefore, from that point of view, the results
Total is 9 in assessment year.
Okay.
9.
I agree.
Research guide, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, myself.
How
My
many
colleague.
students are there?
Pude. Next year.
How many
Sir,
research
sir.
are guided by
Research.
faculty?
10.
10.
Total 10,
Total 10.
guided by 3, 4.
हाँ नहीं इससे ही है आगे है लिखा था
register on 18 man.
18 registered.
18 register
18 registered. Here, in this
Ah,
college.
yes.
Marathi.
There is no research center on
18 registered in
Chalk and board question answer session, class test, group discussion, seminar,
Next.
future plan to start research central in Marathi, to make departmental library, to submit proposal for minor major research project.
Okay.
Sir, SWOC strengths in my department, 4 faculty members are recognized as research guide. Program by our faculty, Dr. S.P. Jagatwal, Kirtan in a society. Marathi, a language day celebration. Marathi language day celebration for.
Good.